In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an image from DaVinci Resolve. We will take a single frame from your video and save it as a picture you can use anywhere. Go to the color page. If you look along the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, you will see several page icons, including Media, Cut, Edit, and Color. Click the color icon so the interface switches to the color grading layout, with the big viewer in the middle, nodes on the right, and scopes or gallery options on the left. Now move the playhead to the frame you want. You can drag the playhead in the timeline at the bottom or use the transport controls under the viewer. Take a moment to land exactly on the frame you want to export, because DaVinci Resolve will use this exact frame for the still image. A good trick is to use the arrow keys for one-frame steps if you need precise placement. Once you are on the right frame, right-click the viewer and select Grab Still. The viewer is the large image display at the top center of the color page. When you right-click, a context menu appears with several options. Click Grab Still, and DaVinci Resolve immediately captures that frame, including all the color corrections and grading you have applied. You will not see a pop-up, but the still is stored in the gallery. Next, open the gallery panel in the top left. If it is hidden, click the word Gallery at the top left of the color page, and the panel will slide open. You should now see a strip or grid of thumbnails showing any saved stills. The new still you just grabbed will appear there as a small image, usually labeled with the timeline name and a number. Right-click the still you just captured. This is the thumbnail that matches the frame you chose. When you right-click it, another context menu appears directly over or next to that thumbnail. This menu contains several options for working with stills, including the export option you need. From that menu, select Export. As soon as you click Export, a system file browser window opens. This means DaVinci Resolve is ready to save the still as an external image file on your computer. You will not need to do anything else inside the color page for this export. Now choose a location and save it as a JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or DPX. In the file browser, pick a folder where you want to keep this image, such as a project folder on your desktop or an external drive. At the bottom, type a clear file name so you can recognize this specific frame later. Then pick the format from the available options, JPEG or PNG for general use, TIFF for higher quality, or DPX for professional workflows. Click Save, and the image file is created in that folder with your color grade baked in. You have just taken a graded frame from your timeline and exported it as a standalone image file from DaVinci Resolve. If that helped you get the exact frame you needed, please give this video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Resolve tips.